Hi friends, I'm Agnes and welcome to my channel. So today I have got another color contact lens from the brand Acqua Color in the shade olive green. So in this video we're going to discuss how these lenses are, how comfortable they are and how they look on my skin tone. So let's get started. It comes in a packet like this and from behind you can see the color of the lens. Now it contains two lenses and it has thin edges. So now let me quickly take out the lenses. Now that you can see, the lenses are out and the color is really looking very pretty. Before taking out the lenses, you need to wash your hand properly with soap and water. I have washed my hands and now I'm going to take out the seal one by one. Friends, see that the lens is out. So now I'm going to gently take out the lens with my index finger and put it on my palm. I always clean the lens with the lens solution so that it doesn't irritate me after wearing it. See friends, I finished applying the lens on my left eye and the color is really looking very pretty. Quickly I will take out the other one and put it on. These lenses are quite comfortable and I wear them for good 6 hours. While applying the lenses, sometimes my eyes waters a bit, but it settles down once they are set. See friends, this is the final look after putting on both the lenses. You please comment and tell me how did you like the color. So hope this helps. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.